got this, guys. You can do this. You can create that child-centered educational experience that's going to lead them to have a successful life. You can do this at home. You've got to empower yourself first, and then you're going to be able to empower your kid, okay? Believe in yourself. Take this time to deschool for yourself and for your kid. It's important for both of you. I will have more coaching on this. I will have more information in the Facebook group and on the website. If you're interested, I will have resources that I've used while I was going through deschooling. And if you need any more help with this, you can reach out. I am doing coaching on this, but I want to help you guys do this. Okay? So now we're ready to go to Module 3, which is Connected Teaching and Learning. And that's going to be all about creating an interest-led learning environment. Okay, so you're going to do that, learn how to take interest and also infuse and incorporate that positive mindset and healthy self-esteem components, because you want to continue to continue to create the bond between you and your kid and create that bond between your kid and learning. Okay, so when the heart and mind are in a good place, learning can happen more effectively and more efficiently. I promise. You can fight your kid to learn things they're not interested in, and you're going to fight. Or you can connect with your kid and find out what they're interested in and get them to learn, and they won't even realize what they're doing, and they'll be excited about it. And you can do that for them. I'm happy for you. I'm excited for you. Hang in there, and I'll see you at Workshop 3.